Today is my day, yes, so today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me, CEO Ewa Salou. I love you, my fans. Celebrate with me. Ewa Salou. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I appreciate you guys. Yes, so happy birthday to Ewa Salou. Long life and prosperity to you. I wish you many more years to come, and I wish you everything you wish yourself. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Moan and join me celebrate this amazing woman, a beautiful woman, a woman of substance, a woman of, as in, I want to describe this award. Moan and join me celebrate her. Celebrate her. They say, celebrate people where they happy. Celebrate people where they are alive. Not be when it don't be me. When I will come begin the no, celebrate them when they are alive now. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. I wish you everything what you wish yourself. And I wish you more money in your accounts. More money in your Aza. More money in your accounts. And I wish you long life. I wish you prosperity. I wish you go to see this world. And this your birthday go bring great into your life. This your birthday. It go give you all your secret prayer. God go say amen for all your secret prayer. For this your birthday. Happy birthday to you, beautiful woman. Happy birthday to you. Oh, who no doya you. Oh, who no your doya ya jiggy. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Mona dream we celebrate her. Today is my day, yes, so my birthday. Happy birthday to me, CEO Ewa Salon. I love you, my fans. Celebrate with me. Ewa Salon. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I appreciate you guys. Yes, so hey, my beautiful fans, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you. Thanks so much, the CEO Ewa Salon, my beautiful fans, my loved ones. I appreciate you guys so much. Celebrate with me. Today is my day. Hello? I'm driving. I'm Mission Road. 9 years ago, I did life now. I did life. You don't near there. Yeah. For this year. Oh. Yes, so my loved ones. Yeah, we are here, we are here, we are here, we are here. Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me park first. No, let me park first. Hey. Can you speak? My face mask. Oh, yeah. I need face mask. You're supposed to. Oh, yeah, I have one here.
Mama, it's too near here. So the first Alfie comes on.
Oh yeah.
You know go open shit. No. Okay, go manage and drop like this.
You never pass.
Yeah, move. Wait.
Okay, wait.
Wait, come on, yeah, move. Like this. Go.
Oh, yeah.
You go come down. You go see come down now.
This one is stainless, man. Don't come down. Stainless. See, I'm better body. Ekwenu leg.
See my voice. I bet anyone will not control. I never.
Yes, man. Wait. When I go that side.
Follow you. You want to carry one bag first.
One bag.
Mama, if you forget me, now me start to control it.
Wait.